Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the G out here again. As you guys can see, we have it right here in front of us. And today we got some special parts that just came in. We ordered from Z1 Motorsports, and it would be the Plenum Spacer. Every DE's of course does this mod, so we're gonna go ahead and get right to it. So what we got here is the Plenum Spacer. Let's see, let's get this open up real good. We got the Plenum Spacer right there. It comes with instructions if you guys need instructions. We also got some hardware, bolts. It comes with everything you guys need. It even comes with its own little gasket, as you guys can see. I went ahead and ordered as well I believe it's called the lower plenum gasket. Not sure, but it's this right here. Goes at the bottom. Usually that gasket gets messed up when you take the plenum off, the original plenum off. So you will need to replace it. I went ahead and ordered it so I don't have to wait for it or go to a store and buy it. I went ahead and ordered that in order to make the process a little bit more simpler.
Alright guys, the first thing you guys want to start off with is of course taking off the intake. It's just a lot simpler to get rid of, to unbolt the plenum without the intake in here in your way. So we're going to go ahead and start on that real quick. Alright, so once you take off your intake, you can go ahead and start off unbolting the plenum off. When you order the C1's Plenum Spacer, it comes with the instructions and it tells you exactly where to start from and what bolts to start from. I'm going to go ahead and use this just because you have to be organized, because some of these bolts are going to be replaced with new bolts that are bigger, and some of them you're going to reuse them again, and they're all numbered. So I'm going to just do it in order to keep, you know, everything in order, so I don't put the wrong bolt in the wrong place. But yeah, let's get right to it. Alright guys, once you get all those bolts out, you're going to be able to just lift up the plenum. It's good to have a person with you so they can just hold it while you guys install the plenum. When you're installing the plenum, make sure the thicker part is in front, the thinner part's to the back, okay? And then, so my original gasket, the one that goes at the bottom here, was fine. So we're not going to go ahead and replace it just because I don't want to touch all this extra stuff right here. So we're just going to go ahead and leave it. Gasket looks fine. If I need to replace it, I already have a backup one. But yeah, right now I already installed the plenum. All I've got to do now is put the gasket that the plenum came with on top, and once that's done, just seal it back up and you are good to go. And we'll test it out, see if we got how many ponies we got. Make sure it aligns in every little hole before you close it, because you don't want, once you're bolting it down, you don't want to mess up your gasket. So you gotta make sure it goes in correctly, like that. Yeah, you're good. After that, we just close the plenum slowly. Good. Sit down. Alright guys, so I'm done installing the Plenum Spacer and the gasket. I went ahead and closed everything off. I didn't bolt everything back up tight. I just threaded it in with my hand, just, you know, so I could have some play in order to move it in case a bolt we're not going through correctly. But everything seems fine, it fits fine and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get out our torque wrench and torque it.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, everything's bolted back on. We have the intake back on. And then just look at that Plenum Spacer, man. Just look at that thing. Ooh. It looks clean. Look at that. Yes, sir. Like 2 more ponies right there. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is a different day from the Plenum Spacer install, but I forgot to give you guys a little rundown, or at least to let you guys know if I feel a difference of the Plenum Spacer. So we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and test it out, and then see if the Plenum Spacer, if I feel a difference or not. So let's go ahead and let's get some pulls in, boys. Second gear, 40 miles an hour, and we go. Okay. Alright. I mean, I don't know, I really can't tell the difference. I think it's just a little bit more responsive. That's it. Let's see, let's go for another one. Okay, let's slow down real quick. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it's a little bit more responsive. Yes, sir. All right, guys, let's go pump some gas real quick. You might be asking, do I recommend the Plenum Spacer? I mean, why not, dude? It doesn't hurt. It's not that much of a it's not a big price. Ooh, look at that. Damn, what is that? That's an M3. Ooh, thing look beautiful. Nah, but yeah, like I was saying, I do recommend it. I mean, it helps your 2 front cylinders of the VQDE breathe a lot better. Just makes it more responsive. I don't think it adds that much horsepower unless with the tune and stuff like that. And I mean, the more mods you got, the more it would help it out, help out the engine and stuff. Because I mean, I am test pipes, wide pipe, exhaust, I got an intake, and then I also got that Plenum Spacer. It all combines and helps each other out. But yeah, man, hopefully sooner or later I'll go ahead and get a tune on this thing, shoot some big old flames, get a little bit more ponies out of this little thing.
Look at them gas prices, man. Look at them gas prices, boss. Let's pump some gas, guys. Alright, but yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all make sure to give it a big thumbs up. You know, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to make some videos out here in this quarantine. Trying to get the most videos I can out there. If you guys want to go ahead and comment, you know, I'll read the comments, reply to you guys. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer them. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.